How to fix bad breath. Bad breath is a common problem that can be caused by buildup of bacteria in your mouth, especially on your tongue and gums. Poor oral hygiene, dry mouth, or certain foods can also trigger bad breath. So here are some tips to help you get rid of it. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, especially before bed. Don't forget to floss daily to remove any trapped food particles. And make sure to clean your tongue, because bacteria love to hide there. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, because dry mouth can make bad breath worse. You might also want to chew sugar-free gum to help stimulate saliva production. Watch what you eat. Foods like garlic, onions, and strong spices can all contribute to bad breath. Instead, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, which can help cleanse your mouth. See your dentist regularly to rule out any gum disease or cavities that could be causing bad breath. And consider using a natural supplement like ProvaDent, which helps kill bacteria, reduce gum inflammation, and freshen breath naturally. You can find the link to ProvaDent below. Finally, avoid tobacco and limit alcohol, because both smoking and alcohol can dry out your mouth, leading to bad breath. Please subscribe to our channel to get daily health tips.